Hey guys, I'm starting off with an old chest that was given to me a long time ago, and now I've decided to upgrade the look. I took out all of the drawers inside, and from the look of it, it was definitely DIYed by someone. Oh well, I'm gonna start off by sanding the whole thing down with a light sandpaper that I got from the Dollar Tree. After that, I cleaned off the dust. And then I started painting. I'm using a Rust-Oleum Ultra Cover Gloss White paint. My room has more of white, black, and gray, so I'm going to start off with a crisp white paint for this one. This is just the first coat. As I leave the first coat to dry, I'm going to pick up the drawers and start disassembling it, removing the knobs, and then giving it the first coat of paint. I sanded it down, cleaned it, and started applying the first coat of paint. While I'm gonna leave this first coat to dry, I'm gonna go back to the frame to give it the second coat. If you're new to my channel, it's so great to have you here. Now don't forget to click on the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my latest videos. After this, I went back to the drawers because the first coat is dry to apply the second coat. I had to apply 3 coats of white paint to the frame in all of the drawers, and I left them to dry. Now I took blocks that comes from a pack of toy blocks that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I'll be making large and interesting drawer pulls with them. This is the pattern that I want to make, so I'm going to spray paint them all silver, leaving this part because it's not going to be seen, and then taking 1-inch square mirrors and gluing it like this. And I'm going to do this for all 4 blocks. Now I'm going to put the blocks together to form the design that I want. And I'm going to be using wood glue and a hot glue gun. I have seen interesting drawer pulls that are really large and dramatic, so I decided to just make my own using toy blocks. This is what it looks like, and I made 3 more, giving me a total of 4. This is what the drawers look like, and then I'm going to be placing all of the large drawer pulls here in the middle. I turned it over just to gauge where I was going to put it, and then I added just a little bit of glue, and then I put it on there and turn it over, and then I'm going to be using nails to attach the drawer pull together with the drawers. This is what it looks like, and I will be covering these parts much later. I put all the drawer pulls on all of the drawers, and then I started inserting them one after the other inside the frame. This looks beautiful the way it is, but I wanted the edges to be a little bit different. So I picked up trays from the Dollar Tree, and then I'm cutting out just the outer edges. And I cut out the size that I need, and then using that particular size to cut out the same thing. And I'm gonna go on and on until I get 8 pieces. I used 2 trays for this, and I went on till I had 8 pieces. And now all I'm doing is just attaching these pieces to the sides of the drawers using tape. I'm using tape because I'm not done with the designs for the drawers just yet. I'm just trying to see if the curves or the arcs that I need for the corners come out the way I want them to before I can continue. I trimmed off some of them that were overlapping. This is pretty the way it is, which is white and silver, but then I needed black somewhere because I have black, white, and gray in my room. So I picked up the shower curtain from Walmart because it has white and black. And that's what I'm going to be using on top of the drawers. So I removed all of the drawer pulls and brought down the drawers and placed the shower curtains on top of it. And this is what it looks like. And then I cut them to size to fit the drawer pull. And then I attached each and every one of the cutouts of the shower curtains to the drawer pull using a hot glue gun. Because of the material of the shower curtain that I'm using, I will be applying the hot glue first to the wood before I attach the shower curtain. I couldn't use a stapler here either because of the material of the shower curtain, but if you're using a stronger shower curtain, you can use staplers. And hey, to cover the drawers, you can also use wallpaper, and it's super easy to apply. This is what it looks like, and then I went ahead to put on each and every one of the drawer pulls on all of the drawers. And then I also glued on the cutout trays at the sides of all of the drawers. To cover up these openings from the tray, I'm going to be using gems. It was really tricky applying this, so I used the hot glue gun and NE6000 glue. And then I used smaller, shiny gems to cover up the other holes that are showing by the sides. I covered these other points here with mirror mosaic tiles, and I'll do the same thing for the sides. For the top here, I'm going to be using 1-inch squared mirrors. I'll be using the mirror mosaic tiles again, and I'll be applying them besides the trays. This is just to give it an illusion like the silver shiny effect started from the outer sides of the drawers. It was easy for me because I cut them into singular strips. Now when I was applying the second strip, I kind of curved it by the side because it was already going out and it formed a curve, which is what I wanted. I kept adding more strips until I was satisfied with the outer look. This is how the curve that I made using the strips look like. I did this for all of the drawers. And here's your final look. I'm really happy with the way this turned out. And like I said before, you can leave this as a very simple design, but I wanted 1, chunky knobs or chunky drawer pulls. 2, I needed to make the corners look like they've got arcs there instead of just straight squares. The vase beside the chest is a vase that I made, and the link is going to be in the description box below, and it's also going to be at the top right. I really love the uniqueness of this design, and here are some before and after pictures. What a remarkable transformation! It is so interesting to know that I used a shower curtain to beautify an existing dresser. I can do without the design that I made with the trays at the corners, but I really needed something curvy at the sides so that I can just take off the squares. Let me know what you think about this design in the comments section below, and remember to like and share this video. Thank you so much for watching. I have other videos linked in the description box below to check them out, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button.